The Manufacturing Engineering Technology program at San Diego City College equips you with highly valued skills in modern manufacturing processes. Our curriculum features hands-on experiences in materials engineering and production processes like the STEM guitar building operations. It also includes product design. For example, students design products on their STEM guitar bodies on Fusion 360. The Lean Six Sigma certificate program builds quality assurance, lean manufacturing, and process control competencies. With options in electronics and fabrication, students program, set up, and maintain automated manufacturing and test equipment like the equipment in our electronics manufacturing lab. Students also gain proficiency in CAD/CAM programming for 3D printing and CNC operations in our STEM guitar fabrication lab. Our graduates are prepared for diverse careers in industries such as consumer products, automotive, biomedical, aviation, space, and defense. Visit our website to learn more and enroll today. We look forward to helping you grow and excel in your manufacturing career.